We are pleased to show you the 2025 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, roof rails, remote engine start, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.